Hey guys, welcome back. Those are new to this channel, this is Jayan. So if you're new to this channel, I've been saying for the last few years and we started Discord channel, link in description guys, do join Discord channel. So reason why I'm saying join the Discord channel because we have so many opportunity coming on you for you guys. We're going to teach some basic knowledge, basic coding, basic communication skills. So many exciting events and so many free courses are on the way guys. Don't miss out the opportunities. Link in description, click on and join Discord channel. I hope seeing you over guys. In today's video, I'm going to share with you like how to apply internship using Internshala. So why I'm saying Internshala for applying internship with us. So I've been using this website from probably last 2 years. So I got like few internships using Internshala. So when compared to other websites, Internshala is like user friendly, and then they everything have a simplified. It's like a user friendly model. They even have a chat option. You can just chat your employees using there. So it's like a user friendly. You can easily learn, like it's not a complicated for anyone like newcomer even like can learn this website guys. So that's why I prefer Internshala as the best platform for applying internship guys. In today's video I'm going to share each one how to apply internships, so how to test, how to build a profile using Internshala. I'm going to discuss everything about Internshala guys. Let's get started guys. Now let's just look at how to apply internships or what are the things you need to keep in mind. So don't skip the video and watch fully till the end guys. Why? Because like in between I used to share few tips about Internshala, about internships. So don't resort those tips guys, watch till the end guys. Let's get started. So the first thing is just go to their website, just go to their websites, Internshala. So as I have a login, so it automatically login from me. So in case you don't have a login option, just sign up using your mail ID and a password. After signing, you will get a profile like this. So first step is to what you need to do in Internshala is guys. First, just go to your resume guys. There is an option called edit resume. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. First thing is you need to mention your name and then contact this about mail and phone number and address. So in my case, the Chennai is my home. Like I was staying in Chennai, so I just mentioned Chennai. So after education background. So what are the degree, like what are the course you're pursuing right now? So like when you started, when is graduation year, and then what the CDP you have. Just apply everything's order guys. So jobs in the column. So since I'm a college student, so I'm just doing internships. So if you're like working professional, you can add jobs over there. So in internships, so I did 4 internships. I just added all the internships. So even recently I got ML test, so I didn't add that internships. You can add all the internships guys. So the tip which I want to share here is that when I'm applying internships for, let's say if you're applying for Android application internships, so when I'm applying Android application, you should have a basic knowledge of Android development guys. So at least you should have one internship which are done by Android Studio, or else you need to do some courses in that. So like why? Because I'm saying whenever applying internship, the employer used to look at the profile. If they find anything course relating, if you are completing a course related to Android Studio, they can offer you internships. So they need to have a strong belief on it. So he's a person who is capable of doing the things. So the belief purpose and you should have at least some experience in that domain guys. So these are internships. I've been doing it still now. So positional responsibility. So if you have any leadership skills, if you participate in leadership activities in your college or else in some society clubs, you can just add everything over there guys. So this is a course, this is the main role of the Internshala guys. So when I'm applying for internship, let me say I'm using Internshala applying for only ML and DL internships. So for this thing, I completed the deep learning course with using TensorFlow developer, and then one deep learning specialization with Andrew and Joe course, and then machine learning. So I had a workshop in Mission at IIT Research Works. So these are things I applied. So when I'm applying for internships based on these domains, I used to get internship very easily because employer he knows the basic stuff in that, so he can able to satisfy him work. So that's why I'm saying when I'm applying for internship, just have a basic knowledge over there and then apply for internship guys. So there's a course and then some projects, so personal projects. So even here I did so many projects till now. So I've been working at IoT and Android Studio, and then even web designing. So I didn't add anything about this. Because why? Because I'm going to apply for only DL and machine learning internships. That's the reason I just added those kind of internships. So fake news using RNA is a DL concept, and then recognition of COVID using its deep learning is immense classifications, which falls in the AI and deep learning domain. So it's a waste management bin. So even in this domain we use some machine learning concept for clustering and the plotting of the graph guys. So that's why I just mentioned 3 projects, so which are related to my domain. So that's how the employee look for the profile. And then when it comes to skill, just add your skill. Let me show like how to add skills. Just click on add skill, Let me type Photoshop here. So after typing Photoshop, you have it three things. So beginner is nothing but if you're new to this domain, you have basic knowledge, you can go for beginner. Intermediate, like if you have a basic knowledge and you're good enough, you've been working for this domain, you can go for intermediate. Advanced level, like if you're good, if you know everything concept, you know where to apply, where to implement this concept, you can go for advanced level, guys. This is how it works. So in my case, JavaScript, HTML. So JavaScript, I just know the intermediate level. I know how to implement, but I didn't work upon it. So I just added intermediate. HTML, Java, deep learning. So all the things I added. So it depends on my person. So after that, if you have any portfolio or blog, you can add the link over there. And then if you have any extra activities, like in my case, I have been handling like Insta page and blog on fitness. You can add those things in here, guys. So this is how the profile looks. So this is the first key role of applying internship, guys. So after complete everything, just go for internship tab here. So after going internship tab and just click on stop there. Yes, guys, that's how it works. Like that's how profile builds in Internshala, guys. Now let me share how to apply for internships. So there's option for internship tab. Just click on the option. Right now, because of COVID, everyone is working from home. Just go for work from home. Let me share first. After that, let me share physical internships. So when you enter the physical, you have an option category. Just type your domain. Let me say in my domain, I want internship in artificial intelligence. Just go for artificial intelligence. So as soon as you type, you will get some kind of internships here. So there's an internship from some data validation company. Just click on any internships over there. So after clicking, just go to details. Just one tip I want to give you, guys. When you're applying for it, just blindly don't apply for internship, guys. Before applying, you should have basic knowledge. So after even basic knowledge, if you have basic knowledge, just go to all details which company wants from you. I have seen so many profiles in my college life. So everyone used to blindly apply internships. They won't even have basic knowledge. They won't even read what the company wants from them. Just read what are the things company wants. So in the company, they want some researching complex financial topics, and then they want some domain experts. So look at domain experts in the project. So they want some experts. They want people who have experience in doing projects. So this is the works, guys. So this is the first internship you can go for it. Yes, guys, that's the first example, guys. And then like after you using category, just go for one more thing is if you want to work as a physical internships, just go here location. Just type your location where you want to work. So as I'm in Chennai, I just type Chennai. So after time you will get all internship. So as I said, because of the COVID, everyone is offering work from home. So in future, if you want to go for physical internships, just go and type Chennai. So the city which you want to work. So just go for it. And then like click. This is how it works, guys. And then there's one more option, pool option called like stipend. So what kind of amount you're expecting, you can go for it. What type of amount you want. So even you can choose the date. So what's the date you want and what's the time period, like end of the day, how many months you want, maximum duration of internship you want. You can select everything as your preference, guys. This one I need to appreciate Internshala for working on this, guys. Now let me share some application which I got selected. I'll explain you how the companies will expect your profile and how they used to contact you. Just go for chat option here. There is an option called chat. So these are the internships. I got mail message in like I got response from internships. Now there is one more option called in Internshala, like just go for application. Let me share like what's the applied and intouch. So when you go application, there is you can see three things here. One is applied, and second one intouch, and third one not selected. So not selected is blindly, you can say you didn't select for internships. I don't know what's the reason. I applied, I didn't check out, just now I'm checking. I didn't select it for internships. Okay, that's not a problem. So we have intouch. So intouch nothing but like the employee used to send message to you. So the employee is like they are satisfied profile. They just like they are in touch with you. They just send message to fill some forms in their companies. So this is what intouch means. So just applied. So still you didn't get any response from company. So there are three types of when you apply for internships. So once you get touch with the employees, there's a chat option here. So these are companies I got message from internships. So these are works, guys. Let me share one example. So this is a company like say machine learning internships. So they just ask me to fill Google forms. So it depends on some companies used to ask you to fill Google forms. Some companies used to ask you to fill some kind of forms. Some company used to ask you chat, let's join in the groups. This depends on companies, guys. This is how Internshala works, and like this video helps you. And this one, if you have any doubts in Internshala, do comment in comment section. I try to clear all the doubts happen, guys. At the end of the video, I want to share few tips to you guys. So before applying Internshala, as I said before, you should have a basic knowledge in the domain. So after having basic knowledge, and you just need to do some kind of projects in the domain. So after the projects, as I said before, when you're applying for internships, just go through what are the things the company wants from you guys. Just don't blindly apply for internship, just go to the things which company wants from you, so that you can apply for internships. And even you need to see time period, so what time period company is offering, you are available on the time period. Just check out all the things and apply for internship, guys. That's it for today's video. And if you want to make me some more videos on internships, and do comment box, I'll try to make it happen. As I said before, do join the Discord channel, guys. Don't miss out opportunities. Yes guys, thanks a lot.